Welcome back. We're going to look at two simple but powerful functions that show up everywhere: exponents and logarithms. They are opposites, but they work together in a powerful partnership. Let's start with exponents. You probably remember this from school. An exponent just tells you to multiply a number by itself a certain number of times. For AI, the key thing to remember is that exponents represent rapid, accelerating growth. Think of how a rumor or a virus spreads. It doesn't just add one person at a time, it multiplies. That's the power of exponential growth. A logarithm, or log for short, is the inverse of an exponent. It essentially undoes the exponent. A log answers a simple question: how many times do I need to multiply a base number to get another number? For example, we know that 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. The logarithm asks the reverse: what power do I need to raise 10 to get 1000? And the answer is 3. So why do AI models use exponents? They are a key ingredient in some of the most important activation functions. The famous sigmoid function uses an exponent to take any number, no matter how large or small, and neatly squash it into a probability value between 0 and 1. The softmax function does something similar for a whole list of numbers, turning them into a probability distribution. And why logarithms are important? They have several key uses. First, they are the foundation for a very common loss function called cross-entropy, which is the best way to measure the error when your model is predicting probabilities. Second, they have a magic property. They turn multiplication into simple addition, which can make complex calculations much more stable. And third, they are great for taming data that spans a huge range of values. So we have a powerful partnership. We use functions with exponents, like softmax, to create our model's probability predictions. Then, we use a function with logarithms, like cross-entropy loss, to measure how good those probability predictions are. They fit together perfectly. And that's our look at exponents and logarithms. They might seem like simple functions, but they are fundamental tools used inside many of the most important algorithms in AI. Understanding what they do helps you understand what's really happening inside the model. In our next lesson, we'll look at another foundational concept for data organization: set theory.